Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to start off with this makeup look right here, which is just a simple everyday makeup look that anybody can recreate, and it's really effortless, so you can wear it to school, to work. If you're running late, you know, you can just do this makeup look. And of course you can't go to school or work like this, so you have to do your hair. And we're starting off with moisturizer, and we're going to moisturize our entire face and then move on to our eyebrows. And I'm lightly filling in my eyebrows today. I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm not overfilling them. It's just something light and easy and fast. And I just want to apologize in advance for my voice, because I know my voice sounds crazy right now and raspy, and it's because I've been sick this couple of days. So please bear with me, guys. Thank you. I love you guys. You always want to start filling out your eyebrows from the tail first and then move forward, because that way most of the pigment is in the back of the eyebrow and not the front, so your eyebrows don't look super dark in the front. You want them to look as natural as possible. After my eyebrows are filled in, I'm going to be going in with the foundation that I'm going to be wearing for the day. And I'm going to carve out my eyebrows with that, just because I don't want to over highlight my eyebrows, and I just want them to look as natural as possible. You just want to clean up your eyebrows, make them nice and crisp. And of course I go back and fill in any mistakes that I've made with the foundation or concealer, whatever you go in with, just to make sure that my eyebrow is filled in nice and neat. And after my eyebrows are done, I'm going to be going in with the Makeup Forever smoothing primer, and I'm just going to apply this all over my face. And then I'm going to go in with my Fenty by Rihanna foundation, which is the same foundation I used to carve out my eyebrows earlier. And you always want to make sure to put a little bit extra foundation on your eyelids and on your under eyes, because I'm not applying any concealer, so I wanted a little bit more coverage there. And since I will not be using any kind of eyeshadows or anything like that, I want to make sure this area is well covered. And of course I was setting everything with my Ben Nye banana powder, and now I'm going in with my MAC Give Me Some bronzer, which is the only thing I'm going to use. I'm not going to contour today. And if you like blush, you can apply a little bit of blush, but I just didn't, because I'm not a big fan of blush like that. And of course you want to always blend out everything. Don't forget to moisturize your lips. And now I'm going in with this highlight right here, which is by Maybelline, I believe. And I'm really loving it. It's really nice. Because of course, you know, even when I don't wear a lot of makeup, of course I have to highlight, because I just can't live without this. This is an important step in any makeup look that I do. And after everything is well blended, I'm going to be going in with my MAC Strip-Down lip liner, and I'm also going to be filling in my lips with that. And then I'm going in with my Bite Beauty Caramelized liquid lipstick. And I just applied some lashes after that, guys, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys. Oh, and thank you guys so much for your support It means the world to me, it really does. And I hope you guys really enjoy this makeup look. Until next time, bye guys.